Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to reset Oculus account password. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open a browser and type Oculus and open oculus.com website, and now click on this profile icon. And I'm clicking on have an Oculus account, and here we can see the option forgot password. So all I have to do is just click on that, and to reset your password all you have to need just enter the email address, which email address is associated with your Oculus account, and click on send email and open your Gmail, and you will get a verification code. So all you have to do is just verify your email, and after that you will jump into that page where you can reset your Oculus account password. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.